I'll have to admit, one of the things that I really appreciate about working in a professional typesetting application, like Adobe Illustrator, is its ability to maintain total control over the text based on what I want to do. I can do anything. I can put text on a curved line or a straight line. I can put text into any shape I want to, even if the shape looks like a light bulb. Once the text is there, I can go to the character panel and change the font, italicize it, bold it, do whatever I want to. I can go to the paragraph panel, justify it, change the spacing options, total control. But as much as I want total control over the font, and trust me, I do, I also want to be efficient, and you might know where I'm going. I'm talking about character and paragraph styles. Most applications have had these, since the invention of Fire. They've been there forever. PageMaker had them. Remember PageMaker? Great program in its time. InDesign, Microsoft Word, all got them. Illustrator's got them right here. That's the character styles panel. Let's drag that thing out. And there's the paragraph. We'll do both in the same segment because you do one, you can figure out the next one. What I've got over here set up for us, made some changes to the text. I've got big blue, different font, bold, italicized, left justified, the word Adobe Photoshop. Underneath, my body text does actually have an indent on the left and the right. It is full justified with last line left. We got extra spacing at the bottom, first line indent. That's a lot of stuff to have to do over and over again. Let's make some styles. Let's go to Adobe Photoshop. Just click in it. Doesn't matter where you click, just be there somewhere. Come over to Paragraph Styles and click the new button. It says Paragraph Style 3. Yours might say 1. Doesn't matter. Don't worry about that. I've been working in Illustrator this morning, and so I've got some extra ones. Don't worry about the number. Just double-click on whatever it says. Give it a name, like heading, which makes sense to me. Click OK. We just made a style. Say, well, we didn't change anything. Aren't we supposed to make it something? We already did. Here's the most efficient way to make a style. Create it first in the document and then make it a style, because now you know you like it. How about the body text? That's another style. Click somewhere in that paragraph. Don't care where, just click. Click the new button again. Double click on paragraph style, in my case 4, and give it a name like body text. Makes sense to me. Click OK. Application is really hard, so I hope you're sitting down. Click on Content Aware Fill and Deletion and Puppet Warp. That's a subheading. Click Heading. I tell you what, I'm working up a sweat here. Image Enhancement with Adjustment Layers. Heading. Working Through Steps. Heading. Now the body text, we got to do it. I know it's hard. Click in that paragraph. Body text. Body text. Now this is actually 3 or 4 paragraphs, so I will have to select them all if I want to do them all at the same time. Tell you what, that was a lot of work. I need a rest. We've actually clicked a button. Now, what are character styles? More or less the same thing. For example, if I want to italicize a word and I want to use the italicize feature over and over again, what I can do is select that word and then come over here and click the new button, Character Style 2, double click it, and give it a name like italic comes to mind. But you also might want to put in there italic body text. You might have more than one italic. Again, everything is here. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're saying, oh, no, you didn't, Andy. You never changed that word to italic. Now, let's get something straight right up front. I don't make mistakes, okay? I never make mistakes. And besides, I have editing equipment if I feel like I did make a mistake. With that said, I did that on purpose, wink, wink, to actually show you how you do it here. So we had the word selected, but we forgot to change it to italic, and we're calling this italic body text. Simply go here. Basic character formats. Change it here instead of where we were supposed to change it before we got here, which would be right there. Come over here, change the font style from book to book italic. You'll notice it did change it down here also. And if you feel you got it right, which I think we do, click OK and see the results. And now you have italic body text as a feature. You want to use it again? Just come over to another word, click it, and click the button. It's that easy. The cool thing also is the fact that you can change things. Let's say we don't like the color blue for our subheadings. All you have to do is double click. If we come back over to one of these subheadings, double click on heading, come over to color, change the color to whatever color you want, and when you click OK, it will change everything that the style has been applied to. So what are the three options here? Efficiency, the ability to do the same thing over and over again with the click of a button. And number three, the ability to experiment and try other things. Character and paragraph styles, to me, are indispensable in any typesetting situation. Get to learn them if you don't already know them.